In a previous lesson, we learned about ходить for round trips and aimless motion. Remember how ходить is used only for shorter trips within a town when you don't mention a vehicle, or anytime you're going on foot. Now let's learn how to talk about the same kind of round trips or riding around with no single destination when you are going by vehicle or taking a longer trip where it's clear that you're not going on foot. Вы часто ездите в Париж? Я никогда не езжу в Омск. Мы каждое лето ездим по России. Just like before, let's think about the motion that we're describing here. In the first example, we're talking about more than one trip, so clearly that's more than one direction. In the second example, the motion isn't really taking place, right? You never go to Omsk. But if you did, you'd be going in more than one direction, there and back. And in the last example, you are traveling around to lots of different places in Russia with no single destination. And we can mention the place we're traveling around with по and the dative case. All of these situations are perfect for ездить in the present tense. And here are the forms you'll need. Я езжу, ты ездишь, он, она ездит, мы ездим, вы ездите, они ездят. And just like ходить, it's a second conjugation or e-conjugation verb. And watch for this change in the stem of the ya form here, where d becomes zh, though in normal speech it just sounds like a long zh, езжу. It's that same kind of change in the ya form of e-conjugation verbs that we see so often. We can use ездить in the past tense for these contexts. Я иногда ездил в Новгород. Она все лето ездила по Германии. You can also use ездить for a single round trip in the past, since it does involve more than one direction. Где вы были в августе? Мы ездили в Сочи. But keep in mind that in the present tense, just like ходить, ездить can only be used for repeated round trips or aimless motion, but not a single trip in progress, because you can't be going somewhere and returning at the same time. Summing up. Use ездить to describe motion by some sort of vehicle, or for going between towns or countries. In the present, it can be used for repeated round trips or motion with no particular destination. In the past tense, it can be used for aimless motion and for round trips, whether it's a repeated or even a single round trip.